Hey everybody, now that it's the off season, it might be a good time to work on that snowblower to make sure that it's going to start next winter when you need it. The last thing you want is to go to start it and find out it won't start because of a dirty carburetor. It's a lot easier to install a fuel filter than it is to remove, clean, and reinstall a dirty carburetor. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to install a fuel filter on this machine. I mean, after all, if this little engine has a fuel filter, doesn't your snowblower deserve a fuel filter too? Now this filter here is actually for a Briggs & Stratton engine on a lawn tractor, but since they both use the same 1/4-inch fuel hose, all you really need is this filter and a couple of 1/4-inch hose clamps, and cut the hose, install the filter, and not have to worry about having a dirty carburetor. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.